Well, hello. How are you doing today? Welcome to the channel. My name is Dave, and today met with a few boys. We've just popped into the Paul Hall Cafe, but it's absolutely mobbed. So we can't even get a cup of tea unless we want to sit here for 2 hours. So we're going to go down the cabin. But today we've got special guests. We've got Moist Decoy and we've got our Scott on his Brutale. So I'm just going to get dressed up and off we go. Still trying these bar risers out, which are fantastic. All right, I'll catch you on the road. Shit. Well, what can I say? It's been a glorious ride out. So we went down to the Paul Hall Cafe, but couldn't get a drink there. But there was loads of bikes there, loads of people. We had a good old chat, and we took the long way around and come all the way down to the cabin cafe.
It's a great little spot if you're ever around Clee Hill area. And there's a great, this road here is a great road on the way back as well, up to Bridge North. We're going to hit that. But it's been a fab day, great to see Moist Decoy again. Great to see Scott on his Brutale, now he's unrestricted, as you can probably gathered. Yeah, awesome day's riding. 22 degrees, perfect weather, not too sunny and not too overcast, and a little bit of rain. Yeah, a great day today. I hope my back camera worked, it picked up the exhaust, etc. Because it was playing off. I think it overheats quite easily. Yeah, there you go. Right, let's get back up to sunny Bridge North on this beautiful road. We can get around these cars. I'll catch you in a bit. You need any help? Are you alright? You get an ice cream? That's an ice cream. I'm back in, so I'll never get out of that. There's a cafe here, look.
So I want to take a video of me bike. Scott's going to go out on it for the first time. Probably the last time I'm going to see it in this shape. So let me just go around it so I can check there's no scratches on it when you come back.
I'm not going to hire a car in front.
TIG gear, by the way. Hey, it works, the anti-theft device. You're in gear, aren't you?
I don't know. Oh yeah, first.
But he's just making sure he got his toilet roll with him.
So to catch the G's.
I don't know.
Yeah, that's the function button.
Not a push start.
Bye bye bike.
Yeah.
Been great knowing you.
Got it standing up. I thought that was naked was bad for this
Well, mate, I ain't going to see that again.
Not in one piece.
It's only showing me this one side. This one's all fell off. How was that?
It was alright, it's very nice.
Bit comfier for you.
Oh, madly comfy.
Sis, mate, that weren't there before you went.
Yeah.
There, scratch
I went through the
there,
bush, it's alright.
scratch there.
Wheeling through the bush at the same time.
Did you get my lean angle over? That was the main thing. 'Cause I can't do it.
Didn't go anywhere I could do that. Yeah, it's
Solid, isn't it? Like
just like even with the power when you
Long.
go in, it just doesn't feel like it. Like it's just so smooth, it's linear.
yeah.
So look on that, you kind of like you're either on throttle or off throttle like that, and then you just drop it a little bit. It's like that. Whereas that just like a V8, just constant linear power delivery all the way through. The wind noise, I don't know whether it's that screen, but the
You're
wind
tall,
noise
ain't
is like
Because
even compared to that, it's a naked.
the standard
Next to no wind
screen,
noise on that compared to that.
the standard screen on that was hitting me in the face. So I
Yeah.
put that one on, which goes over my head. But you,
For me, yeah, it's literally on.
it'll hit you.
All the way through. Just hear you can just hear wind noise. It's just like say my height. If I got down like that and go past it, then
Yeah, where I am.
yeah. Well, Dave's height, which is like this.
Yeah. Just a stub with legs. Why is my bike at 197 degrees temperature? So did you leave it in first? Have you changed your seat position? Gonna come and have a cuppa, Scott? You can have a laugh at my nearly level footings. Well, here you go, Si. Great to see you, mate. Ta-ra, mate. Ta-ra, mate. Bye, driver. Well, there you go. I hope you enjoyed that one. I really did. There's not much talky when you go out in a group because you've got the comms on and stuff. And I don't record comms for obvious reasons, especially when you're out with them pair. Yeah, we're all done. All tucked away now, cooling down in there. Scott's Brutale is just fire, isn't it? What a bike, man. Thanks very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, like I say, and I will see you in the next vid, yeah? Look at this now. As soon as we put the bikes away, bloody sun comes out. Alright, see you in the next one. Tatty bye. Bye-zy bye.